Today I'm going to show you how to digitize your signature into a transparent background in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your lasso tool from the toolbar. Then create a loose selection around the signature. Press Ctrl J to cut the signature from its background. Now let's delete this background or subject layer. Go to Window. And open your Channels panel. Select the blue channel. Go to Image. Adjustments. And open your Levels window. In this Levels, drag the black point slider to the right, until you begin to see the signature. And do the same thing on the other side, but this time drag to the left. Now hold the Ctrl key, and click on the thumbnail of the blue channel to make a selection. Now as you can see here, that there are selections around this and it has selected the background. Now all we have to do, to select the inside or this signature, is just go to Select. And Inverse. Let's disable this layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, then create a new solid color. In the color picker, choose black. Then press OK. Now open your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag your signature up onto the tab of the new background. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust its size, angle and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Double-click the thumbnail of the signature layer, to change its color. Now in this color picker, you can choose any color for your signature. Let's come back to our signature. This time I will save this signature in a folder with no background. Before we save it, double-click this thumbnail, and choose a color for your signature. I'm going to keep it black. Now to save it to your folder, just go to File. And save a copy. I'm going to name this, Sample Signature. And from this drop-down menu, choose PNG file format. Then press Save. Now let's check the signature we saved in the folder. Let's open it, and you will see here that the signature has no background, and you can use it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.